What if the secrets to financial success were hidden in the conversations at home? Why do schools often neglect to teach money management? The lessons from parents truly shape a child's financial future. How families approach money can mean the difference between somebody who will eventually become rich and successful and someone who won't. Today, we will discover 6 essential lessons that the rich teach their kids about money. If you like videos about financial wisdom, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our insightful videos. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Rich parents teach the importance of money. All self-made millionaires or anyone who's achieved financial success believes that money is very important and it's one of the first things they teach their kids about. Rich parents make it a priority to teach their kids that money isn't just about having things. They show their kids how money creates options, like choosing where to live, how to spend time, and even how to help others. For them, money is a tool to build a life with fewer financial worries. In many households, money is either ignored or treated like a taboo subject. Kids hear things like, money isn't important, and grow up unprepared for a world that runs in it. The truth is that rich parents talk about money because they know it shapes opportunities. Teaching kids about money isn't about greed, it's about giving them a foundation for success. Number 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. Let's talk about assets and liabilities, the secrets to financial freedom. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. Think of it like this. A rental property is an asset. It earns your rent each month. Your mortgage, a liability. It costs you money. Rich parents understand this power. They teach their kids to build assets, businesses, and investments that create a steady flow of cash. They avoid liabilities that drain their bank accounts. They understand that assets provide financial freedom because they generate cash whether you're working or not. Imagine 2 people both earning $6,000 a month. One spends it all on a fancy lifestyle, the new car, the big house, and the latest tech. They look rich, but they're buried in debt. The other life simply saving $3,000 each month and investing it wisely. Year after year, those investments grow, building wealth. 10 years later, their lives are vastly different, all because of how they chose to spend their money. There is a quote from Robert Kiyosaki that says, "Looking good but going nowhere." Many people spend to appear wealthy, while truly wealthy people build assets that buy their luxuries. If you want a fancy car, you should create an asset that generates enough income to cover the cost. That's the key difference. Rich parents don't just teach their children about money, they teach them how making money works for them. If you're enjoying this content and looking for more ways to build wealth, we have another video you won't want to miss. It's all about how you can make yourself rich by looking poor. Just click on the link and dive into those clever strategies. Number 3. The best way to make money is to help others. Wealthy individuals often teach an important lesson to their children. The most powerful path to wealth is to solve people's problems. The bigger the problem, the greater reward. History's most successful figures like Steve Jobs, who revolutionized technology and communication, Henry Ford to transform personal transportation, and Oprah Winfrey, who made a global impact in self-development, all thrived by addressing major challenges. While the poor focus on earning through tasks and time, the rich prioritize providing solutions and value. They understand that financial success stems from the impact and solutions they deliver, not just the hours they put in. This approach not only creates wealth, but also leaves a lasting legacy of innovation and progress. By focusing on solving problems, anyone can unlock the potential for great financial rewards and meaningful contributions. Number 4. No one owes you anything. Self-made millionaires and those who got wealthy with their own work know how much it takes to create wealth for themselves and their families. This understanding becomes even more crucial when raising their kids in a wealthy environment, where a sense of entitlement can creep in. They want their children to grasp that true success comes from hard work and not just inheriting wealth. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, 2 of the richest men in the world, have similar philosophies. They've decided not to leave their children vast fortunes, only a small inheritance. As Bill Gates said, they have to find their own way. By doing this, they hope to instill independence and the value of hard work in their kids, ensuring they carve out their own paths to success. This approach highlights the importance of earning one's achievements. Number 5. Patience. The wealthy know that building great wealth takes time and patience. They teach this to their kids, showing that dedication and hard work eventually pay off. The majority of people prefer short-term pleasures like buying a nice car or fancy house right away, or they might start a business and leave when it's not profitable in the first year. The rich understand the importance of consistent effort and patience for long-term success. They emphasize the value of staying the course even when immediate results are not visible. This mindset of perseverance and delayed gratification sets them apart. By instilling these principles, they ensure their children are equipped with the right tools to achieve financial stability and success. Number 6. The different ways to earn money. Did you know Molly Obama, daughter of the former president, worked a regular summer job? Many wealthy families encourage their kids to experience the world of work, not just to earn money, but to learn how money is earned. Some jobs are simple, trade time for money, like a part-time job or freelancing. But the wealthy teach their kids about building businesses that make them money even when they're not working, automating processes online, or investing in assets that generate income. It's all about expanding horizons. Poor parents often know only one way to make money, working for a paycheck. They unintentionally limit their children's options, teaching them only one approach to earning a living. Wealthy parents, however, equip their kids with a wider range of skills and understanding, setting them up for greater financial freedom. It's all about providing options, so their kids aren't stuck with just one path to financial success. If you want to discover the diverse strategies that wealthy use to build and diversify their income, dive into this video and take your financial knowledge to the next level. Click on the video and let's continue this journey together.